Hi guys and welcome back. Today we are going to carry on with the engine, just assembling it. Sorry about my workspace, it's a little bit just messy, just sorting stuff out. As you can see, I've gone ahead and I've built the head up because I need to just push on and get it done. So valves have been lapped in, I've CC'd the head, so that came out at 21.9, so it's just a little bit higher from where it was. I had 21.7, so not going to affect the compression too much. So valves are lapped in. As you can see, everything is here. I've stripped the rocker assembly down, checked the shaft, cleaned everything up, so that's all set to go. And yeah, so today we are going to get the front cover on. I've pushed the front seal in. Once again, sorry about the mess. We're going to be getting that onto the front. We're going to lock the front nut up for the cam and get the front cover on. We're going to get the distributor drive in, oil pickup on, sump on. Then we're going to flip around to the back. We've got a rear main seal to fit to the back, get the back plate on, and then we're going to fit the head and bolt that down and get the engine off the engine stand today. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so excuse me, my first task today is we just lock up the camshaft, make sure that's all done. So we've set the timing as you've seen in the last one. Just double check, make sure all of these are locked up. That's all done. So really, we're just going to try to get the engine off the engine stand and get a move on, because we'd really like to get this fired up for next weekend, or in the week next weekend. Shouldn't take that long, but we'll just push on. So that's all locked. So now we're just going to lock up the camshaft. So we've got our washer there, tab washer, all bent over, and on the nut, I like to just put a little bit of Loctite just on the threads, just to make sure that it's locked. We're going to lock that up anyway. Don't need loads and loads and loads, you just need a bit of Loctite on there, so you know that nut is not going to come undone by itself. And you also got the backup of the lock tab, which will hold the nut on once you've torqued it. Okay, that's on there, so we'll just torque it. Let me just get the torque wrench, and I'll just get the torque. Okay, guys, so that is it for now. I had to just push on with the engine. Sorry, there hasn't been much explanation on what I'm doing and whatnot, but I haven't been well for the last couple of days. So I lost a few days to get on and fallen behind a little bit, so I needed to have a big push today. So we did well today. So water pump secured, front cover and all the timing gear is secured on. Front pulley is done and painted, that's all done. Sump is on. We have stripped the rocker assembly down, cleaned everything, checked everything, so that's all good. We also fitted a new rear main seal onto the back, which is a modern one, so we've done that. I've fitted a distributor drive in and set it so it's firing a number 1. So when we put when we get it off the engine stand and put the distributor in, then we can just set it will be set to fire on 1. So that's it for today. Thanks again as always. In the next video we'll be getting it off the engine stand and getting the last few bits on. So hopefully by next weekend we'll be firing it up, and then the weekend after that we will be delivering it to its new home. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.